Hey gang, I just want to do a quick short. One of my friends, new friends from Etsy, wanted me to take a look at this. It's called button-up tees. We'll do the link to it below. It's a post-up t-shirt, not specifically for shoulders, but it does work for shoulders. I want to show you how easy it is to put on or not easy to put on. We'll see. So we'll pretend this is my bad shoulder, okay? So we're gonna bring it all the way down, move it all the way around, okay? And then I'm gonna go in back. And as you guys know, I'm not very flexible. I've documented that several times on this channel. So it can come on without you actually having to use your other arm. And then of course, the tricky thing is to button it, right? But they're pretty good buttons. What I'd say, this is a large. I'm not a big dude, so this is large, so you probably need a large. Probably also need to make sure that your buttons are aligned. It's a little hard to tell. I would probably do this in the mirror. But you know, you can button up. Let me do a couple more just to prove that I can actually button and with one hand. All right, so the button-up tee might work for you. If you're interested, again, you can go to his website. He's not paying me any for this. He just gave me one of these, which now I can have a button-up tee for myself. Thanks, bye.